is me again, Bisayang Texas on my YouTube channel. So, siguro tuloy-tuloy ko na yung pag-vlog ko kasi marami akong i-share sa inyo about life journey ko and health journey ko. Ano pa ba? Marriage journey ko, of course. Yung tatlo na yun, i-share ko sa inyo. First of all, I gonna show you my order and online, since I don't have a car, I don't have time. I have a lot of time to do something, but I don't have a car. So I was started from zero, and now self-love, and I work with my family because they are okay, they're healthy. So watch out this, guys, what I open today. So since my equipment in my workout was in the other house, I bought something that is new one for me, and it's called a robot stepper. See, because in my side I was having workout for every day, and I don't need to have a push-up all the way because I taking care of my breast since I have already the surgery, and it makes me work out. Kaya pinili ko na lang na mag-workout with a use stepper. So ito yung na bili ko na stepper. Kasi hindi na kailangan ko ng hindi naman din talaga kailangan ko ng mabibigat sa muscle ko. Kasi maliit lang yung muscle ko talaga. Maliit lang siya dito. Tsaka hindi siya laylay. Ang nais ko lang is magtuloy-tuloy ang workout ko nang gayon na continue ko yung healthy lifestyle ko dito. So, as usual, mayroon akong maliit na dumbbell kasi sa akin doon may malaki akong dumbbell. So, ito 2 pounds lang siya. Medyo okay lang. Okay lang siya. Pero mayroon din akong dalawa siya. Dalawang dumbbell ako. Mayroon din akong 15 pounds na dumbbell. So, ito talaga yung pang gamit ko sa workout sa butt. Kasi nag-workout ako sa puwet ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko lang siya. Then, ito yung mga bagong toy ko ngayon. Oh my God. Tama lang din po sa akin kasi ang kailangan lang dito is I think 350 pounds ang kailangan dito, which is ako less than 100, and nasa 100 pounds lang ako. So hindi ko kailangan yung malaki kasi yung malaki kasi kailangan yun sa lahat ng tao. Ito siya. Ito siya. Mayroon ko siya tape measure. Kunyari lang to, di ko naman kailangan to. Kasi mayroong tape measure ako. Yung kailangan ko lang yung body weight ko. Ayan. I-add mo lang siya dito. Kung needs mo. Ito lang talaga ang kailangan ko. So, yes, I have my new toy. May bago akong kasangga sa sa workout ko. Kasi hindi ko na kailangan sa ngayon kasi nagbi-build up pa ako sa sarili ko nagbibuild up pa din ako sa financial ko. So, tsaka nag-focus ako sa personal na car ko. So, that's my goal in my life. Maybe next year, hopefully, cross finger, magkaroon ako ng car by my own, by my strength, and sa tulong ng sister-in-law ko at father-in-law ko, magkaroon ako ng car. Kasi dito hindi naman mahirap kumuha ng car kung may bank account ka talaga. Sila na yung tutulong sa'yo para makakuha ka ng car. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-worry doon. Ang worry ko lang is I need my driver's license. First priority ko is my paper documents, which is I called already with the USCIS. Why it takes so long? Then, my drivers, after I receive, if they can send me a extension letter, at the time, I can have my driver's license. Kasi I was already learning how to drive. Yes, I'm learning how to drive with the help of my half-sister-in-law, with her boyfriend. He was so patient to teaching me. Kasi I don't have any idea to drive even the bike. Wala po akong idea how to balance, how to maneuver for the car. Wala akong knowing doon. Pero, since bago sa akin, lahat yun, nahirapan ako. Of course, nahirapan ako. Pero, basta may tiwala ka sa sarili mo at sa Panginoon, makukuha mo yun. So, ngayon, hindi ko na worry lahat kasi I let it God to happen all this. Hinayaan ko lang yung Panginoon at sa akin lang ay magdasal lang ako, magtiwala, at most love care sa sarili. Love and care sa sarili. Yun ang kailangan. Self-love, self-care, and in my opinion, wala akong pinagsisihan kung bakit ako nagmahal ng totoo sa isang tao. It's my part of my life na show how to love, how to be a family oriented, how to be fair with anybody. So that's a part of my life, that's a part of my journey. I'm not blame myself because I give it, I love it the way I am. So, yun lang yun po guys. Don't forget to like and follow my YouTube channel, Bisayang Texas, on my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.